Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Rajni Chaudhary and in this particular video we will be discussing about power swing. Power swing is defined as variation of power flow as a result of loss in synchronism of generator which leads to change in its rotor angle. Here in this video we will be describing what is power swing and how it occurs. What are the effects of power swings on the various relaying schemes applied to the power system? Also, the protection scheme applied to cope up with the power swing will also be discussed. Thus, this video will be covered in various parts. Starting with the first part, as discussed, these will be the contents of the video covering power swing. But since we cannot cover all these topics in one single video, we will be covering the following in various parts. Starting with the part 1, we will be discussing here what is power swing, how it occurs, and the power swing classification, what are the results of unstable power swing, and how we can cope up with this unstable power swing. Starting with what is power swing. In an interconnected power system, as we know, all the generators runs in synchronism. And since the generators are running in synchronism, this condition is stated as steady state condition. And during that steady state condition, there is a balance between the generator and the load characteristics. Therefore, the rotor angle is constant here in steady state condition. But as soon as a disturbance or a fault occurs, this balance between the generator and the load characteristic is disturbed and therefore the rotor angle is changed. The variation of the power flow which occurs as a result of this rotor angle change is referred as power swing. Also, we know that the power flow through the transmission line depends upon the voltage generated at the both end of the line, and the phase difference between the two voltage is proportional to the rotor angle. Since this rotor angle is changing, the phase difference also keeps on changing. As a result, the change of impedance in transmission line occurs, and therefore power swing also affect the distance relay scheme applied in the system. Therefore, the power swing becomes an need of concern. Power swing classification. The power swing can be classified as stable power swing and unstable power swing. As discussed, when a disturbance like tripping of load occurs, there is an imbalance between the generator and load characteristics, and therefore the rotor angle is disturbed. This rotor angle then tries to maintain or tries to achieve a new angular position in an oscillatory manner. If the rotor angle is able to achieve a new angular position, then that type of power swing is referred as stable power swing. In stable power swing, the generator do not slip poles and the system reaches a new state of equilibrium as the rotor angle is now able to achieve a new angular position. In stable power swing, since the power input to the generator is almost same, the system settles to a new rotor angle. Whereas in case of unstable power swing, the generator experiences pole slip as a result of loss of synchronism. Here, in the case of unstable power swing, the generator rotor angle is not able to achieve a new angular position, and therefore tripping must occur in case of unstable power swing. In case of unstable power swing, there is no intersection between the power transfer curve and the power input line. and therefore the rotor angle keeps on moving without any boundation. Results of unstable power swing. As discussed, in case of unstable power swing, the rotor angle is not able to achieve a new equilibrium position. And therefore, this unstable power swing causes undesired relay operation. And therefore, due to this undesired relay operation, it weakens our power system as uncontrolled tripping occurs. And as a result of uncontrolled tripping, there is a possible cascading outages and a complete shutdown of power system may also occur. As discussed, in case of unstable power swing, pole slipping occurs and this pole slipping may lead to damage of the generator and the turbine associated. Also, in unstable power swing, low voltage occurs and this low voltage condition result in motor stalling, generator tripping and damage to the various voltage sensitive load connected in the system. Therefore, seeing the consequences of unstable power swing, it becomes an utter important topic. Now, since we have studied the consequences of unstable power swing, there must be some protection technique applied to cope up with this. Since we know that the unstable power swing are result of the generators which have lost synchronism with respect to the other generators. Therefore, the generators which are operating asynchronously must be separated and this separation must occur in a specified manner. The separation of the generators operating asynchronously will avoid the damage to the equipment and will also avoid the complete possibility of the shutdown. Also, power swing protection technique must be applied. Here, the power swing protection will continuously monitor the power flow, voltage and the current. And any variation in the response of these quantities will trigger the power swing protection technique, and therefore by monitoring their response we can prevent the cascading outages and the shutdown of the system. Also, out of step protection relay is used which avoids the tripping of any power relay during stable power swing. Since in stable power swing we have already achieved a new equilibrium position for the rotor angle, therefore there is no need of tripping the generator and hence the tripping should be avoided in case of stable power swing. But in case of unstable power swing, the system must be protected and therefore this out of step protection relay differentiate between the stable power swing and the unstable power swing and operates in that manner, whether to trip or not to trip. Effect of power swing on various relaying scheme. Here we will be discussing which relaying scheme operation get affected as a result of power swing. We know that the unstable power swing is a balanced three-phase phenomena. So, majorly transmission line relaying scheme are affected by the unstable power swing. If we talk about the differential relay, then this relay system is not affected as it doesn't respond to the unstable power swing. Whereas talking about the distance relay, overcurrent relay and the directional relays, these relays are greatly influenced by the loss of synchronism or out of step condition of the generator and therefore they respond to the unstable power swing. And while responding to the unstable power swing, they can maloperate and can trip the circuit breaker associated with them. Therefore, a specific topic regarding the effect of power swing on distance relay will be discussed later on, as how the distance relay get affected as a result of unstable power swing. We know that the current flowing in the transmission line is greatly influenced by the phase difference of the two voltages at the two ends of the line. This phase difference is affected by the rotor angle change. If the rotor angle is continuously changing, then this phase difference will also be affected, and as a result the impedance measured by these distance relay will also change continuously, and therefore the distance relays are affected as a result of power swing, unstable power swing. Listed are some of the references from where the content of the slide has been prepared. With this, we end the part 1 here only. In this part, we have discussed what is power swing, how it occurs, what are the consequences of unstable power swing, and which relaying schemes get affected as a result of unstable power swing. In the next part, we will be discussing how the distance relaying scheme get affected as a result of unstable power swing. For next video, please stay connected and thank you.